In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print multiple copies of an envelope in Microsoft Word. Whether you're sending invitations, holiday cards, or business correspondence, printing multiple envelopes at once can save you a lot of time and effort. Microsoft Word provides built-in tools to manage envelope layout, address formatting, and the number of copies, making it easy to handle bulk printing efficiently. To begin, open Microsoft Word and navigate to the Mailings tab on the ribbon. The Mailings tab contains all the tools related to letters, labels, and envelopes. Click on Envelopes to open the Envelopes and Labels dialog box. In this dialog box, you'll see a field for the delivery address and a field for the return address. Enter the recipient's address in the Delivery Address box and your return address in the Return Address box. You can also choose to have Word automatically fill in your return address if you have it saved in your settings. Next, click the Options button within the dialog box to customize envelope size and printing preferences. Here, you can select the envelope size that matches your paper and printer setup, ensuring that your envelopes are correctly aligned when printed. You can also adjust printing options, such as feeding method and printer tray selection, to match your specific printer model and envelope type. Once you've configured the envelope options, click OK to return to the Main Envelopes dialog box. Instead of clicking the Print button immediately, click the Add to Document button. This action inserts your envelope into a Word document, allowing you to manage multiple copies and make additional formatting adjustments if needed. This step is especially useful if you want to review the layout or print several envelopes in a single batch. With the envelope now in your document, you can specify the number of copies. Go to the File tab, select Print, and in the Print settings, enter the desired number of copies. Word will print the specified number of envelopes in a single session, streamlining your bulk mailing process. Make sure your printer is loaded with envelopes in the correct orientation to avoid any misalignment. By following these steps, you can efficiently print multiple envelopes with consistent formatting, ensuring that your mailing looks professional and polished. This method saves time, reduces errors, and makes large mailings much easier to manage. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.